I couldn't sleep either, so I'm up prepping for breakfast. Do you want to learn how to make a coulis? It's a French fruit sauce. Cool, grab that small sauce pot and we'll put it on low heat. I'm making this with frozen strawberries, but any kind of berry will work. I do prefer to use frozen since it's just gonna break down anyway. Go ahead and add all those to the pot, and I'm gonna grab us some sugar. Oh, midnight already? That means, oh no.
It's October! And now that we're rid of the nerd, let's finish that coulis. The fruit will begin to break down and simmer in its natural juices. If needed, add a little water to help it along. Once reduced, add a little lemon juice and then sweeten with sugar or maple syrup to taste. If needed, blend or mash. This serves well with breakfast or dessert. Veggie shorts served to you in less than 60 seconds. I'll be seeing you again in October.